A freaky secret, I just know that you got on your mind. Just bring them to life. Put that shit on the film and watch it back on rewind.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dinka, of course. And yeah, so today I am coming at you guys with this very subtle and very easy holiday makeup look. With no foundation, and yeah, I really hope that you guys actually enjoy this video that you guys are about to see. And no, I'm not a makeup artist, I'm not a guru, I don't know how to do none of that good stuff, but if you got some tips for me, you guys can leave them down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click that bell notification so you can see a new video every single week. Alright guys, without further ado, let's get right in. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going in with is this e.l.f. hydrating serum. I actually got this as a Christmas present, so yeah, you're gonna see that type of stuff in my next video. I love this serum. Sorry guys, I'm just setting up my mirror. But I'm just gonna use a little bit of this and put it all over my face before I put on some makeup, because guys, so I just put in the serum, and you probably can tell because it's more of a glow now. And I'm going in with my eyebrow pencil. I completely forget who this is by. Most likely that brand Gabriella, I don't know. But this is what it looks like. Just show you guys. And I can sharpen it. But yeah, I'm just gonna fill them in. So and I already had combed them down, like tamed them, because I don't do my eyebrows dark like that anymore. I used to do them really dark, but I don't know, I just stopped doing it like that. Okay guys, if you hear noise in the background, it's my family, they're loud. But anyway, I filled in my brows, and I feel like they look really good. But now I'm about to go in with this concealer by Wet n Wild, and I'm going to put it underneath my eyes, on top of my eyelids, and like little spots around my face. So yeah, you guys can watch me do that. Oh my. And I just put little dots. I don't want this to be a tutorial because I really don't know how to do makeup. So, this is not a tutorial, guys. So, do not go off of this if you think about it. This is not a tutorial. But if you do want to teach me some makeup skills, let me know. So, I'm going to blend this all in and then come right back and talk to y'all. Okay guys, I'm just gonna show you guys what I did. I know it probably looks like a lot. It's not a lot. Literally, I dried the brush out, literally just putting little dots all over my face. I didn't double dip it or none of that. But anyway, I'm about to blend all of this in with my damped beauty sponges. Really nice, really soft. And yeah, so you guys can see that. I really don't want this to be a tutorial, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm just going to start blending in. Literally, I can't wait until I learn how to like really do makeup. But yeah, I'm going to blend this in off camera. Okay guys, so I blended it. I think it looks really good. Of course, I don't know, for some reason on camera you really can't see how good I blended that. Like, stop playing with me, okay? That's one thing about me. I can blend. But, anyway, next up, I'm about to go in with eyeshadow. Since this is kind of like my easy holiday look, I'm going to go in with my favorite eyeshadow ever, which is this color. It's in the shade Forbidden. It's by LA Colors, surprisingly, but it is so good. It is my favorite eyeshadow ever. So I'm about to go in with that. I'll show you guys how that works. Yeah. Okay, guys, so I did a little bit of my favorite eyeshadow. I'm gonna clean it up, don't worry. But now I'm about to go in with this Milani baked blush. It's actually really pretty. Look at that. I know it's not eyeshadow, but I love it specifically with this eyeshadow. So yeah, but I'm about to go in with a little bit more concealer, so that way the color can pop out a lot more. I don't know what happened to my lighter, like much lighter concealer, so I'm gonna have to use this one. Not that it's going to do much, but yeah. And then once I'm done with that, I'll come back and show you guys what I did. Hey guys, so I did the eyeshadow. I don't know if you guys, let me actually bring you guys closer. I know it's not the best blending skills, but I don't know, it's like on camera you guys really just can't see. It looks so gorgeous. Like, oh, okay, go girl. But anyway, I'm about to go in with mascara now. I do not do eyeliner because I don't know how. But yeah, y'all can see me do that, I guess. But yeah, I don't know. As much as I keep saying I don't want this to be a tutorial, it kind of is. But it's not a tutorial because I'm not a guru. I don't know how to do all this. I'm just doing the best that I can. Doing what I think I know how. I know how to pretty much do everything but eyeshadow. But I'm learning. I'm gonna learn. Guys, you know, I love, you know, the holidays and all, but I think this is the last time I'm celebrating Christmas. People be ungrateful. You know what I mean? Like, but I try my best. You know what I mean? I got people gifts, and yeah. I mean, I got quite a few gifts as well. You guys will see that. But I feel like, honestly, with this holiday, like, it just made me so much happier to see, like, everyone else open up the gifts that I got them. Like, I don't know. Alright guys, so mascara's on, the eyes is done. But now I'm about to go in with some highlighter. So I recently just got this highlighter for Christmas. I tried it before and this highlighter is really good, which is why I got it. It's by LA's Colors. It's called Strobing, and oh no, it's not called Strobing. It is, but the color, like the shade I got, is Champagne. So I'm going to go in with this. This is a very subtle highlighter, which is why I really like it. So yeah. Okay guys, let me just show you something. Okay, look at that mirror. Look at that. It comes with a little pad thing and everything. But yeah. Look, let me do this for y'all real quick. Okay. Look what. Okay, that's why I like this. Like, period. But I'm gonna just go in with my finger, because I feel like with my finger I have way more control over it. And then I blend it in with a little beauty blender after I get done. Okay, look at that glow. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can really see it. I'm gonna try to get some better lighting so you guys can start seeing this type of glow. But baby, that's hot. So anyway, yeah, I'm done with the highlighter. Actually, no, I'm gonna put a little bit right there, and in the corners of my eye. And then we're gonna move on to lips. Guys, you know, I'm sorry. I don't even know if y'all gonna like this type of stuff, but I think my eyebrows look real good. Poppin'. But anyway, it's lips time, finally. And I am using my fave lip gloss, clear gloss, y'all know. And then I'm going in with my eyeshadow, the red one, and I'm just put a little bit on my lips to add some color to that joint. And yeah, guys, you cannot tell me like this is not cute. Like I wish I could really see it. Like, wow. Y'all already know my fave, my lips and my eyebrows. Stop playing. Yeah, I mean the highlight, cool or whatever, but it ain't matching this lip gloss and these eyebrows. Period. I do have 2 earrings in. But yeah, guys. So this is the finished look. Did y'all hear my niece screaming? And then they know I'm recording. Like they do this. This is my family, y'all. I'm done. I'm wrapped out. Hey guys, so that's the end of this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I actually liked filming this. And I hope that you guys try to do this look. Well, do it better than I did. I don't know. But yeah, I'm just happy that I'm back and that I'm getting back into the groove. You know what I mean? I'm just really happy about that. And yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social medias that are, like, everything's linked in the description box below. Yeah, and I just want to say happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and all that, like. But yeah, bye guys.